All Publix heist, Publix body slam. This is for the last couple of days. This wasn't one transaction. This is about January 6th, January 10th. $862.15 worth of vitamin heist. In total, $862.15 worth of goods. And they paid me $146.05 in overage. So, and this was the main reason. This was the Flintstone Gummies that were expired. I had 4 here and 4 here, and they were refunded. So, I'm going to do this every week, so please subscribe to my channel on how I can get paid to shop. And this is an extreme case over 4 days. This was 15 transactions over 4 days. All the details on how I did it are below the video. $862.15 worth of goods, and I had an overage of $146.05. Probably about 40 of that was on a Publix gift card, and the rest of it was on the MasterCards, which I also did 6 big $50 off transactions. So, kind of already posted something about this on January 7th when the deal came out. This is on January 9th, pretty much. Today is January 10th, so all these are done January 9th. This deal is over. This was a really good deal on these. I mean, I was getting paid $1.85 on these, and they're $12.99 each. I was getting paid about $1 on these. These are 15 each, 15 each. So this deal is over January 9th. This deal was over January 9th, January 9th, January 9th. These deals are over. This was over January 9th. This was over January 10th. Some of these deals are still going on, so you can still get them, but I'm going to be posting every week on how I did this, so you please subscribe to my channel. But this is just kind of what you could do possibly in a couple days. It's granted, it's the beginning of the year, it's health time, manufacturer putting out those vitamin coupons, so it's basically just a vitamin heist here. But I was using gift cards to get another 505 off. I was spinning around. I did about 6 big transactions. It's probably around 15 little transactions. Granted, I've got a 20-minute drive. I can hit up 8 Publix in 20 minutes. Obviously, going in the store takes more time, but just drive time is about 20 minutes. When you're buying these, when you get up to the register, don't use this right off. Use your Publix refund card, Publix gift card, and then this one. It'll let you go up to $44.95. Then you can spin these. So a lot of these have around 505 on them, or more than that. And so yeah, giving good tips there on the order you pay with. I gave a tip about also on these, but these were some of these on the shelf were expired, and they took them all back. I had that happen 3 times, and twice were about 4, and another store bought another 4, and they refunded me everything, the full price back for all of them. Cashier said, hey, he used coupons and got them all for free. The manager said, don't worry about the coupons, and I agree. They're going to get reimbursed. The coupon is just like money to them. They're going to get reimbursed. The problem was, so here it is. Here's what it's capable of. Please subscribe to my channel. Here's some more stuff right here. Once again, $862.15 worth of